Hey folks, this improvement comes from our washroom maintenance area. Every day, our team cleans the stalls and floors using a hose reel and spray gun setup. Before, the process was a bit of a hassle. The operator had to pull the hose reel out of storage, connect it to the faucet, unwind it across the room, and then drop the spray gun on the floor while scrubbing. The process was a burden, wasted motion, and we'd accidentally broken a number of guns just by stepping on them. So, to improve things, we mounted the hose reel directly to the wall and plumbed it straight into the main water supply. Now the operator just pulls the hose to the length needed and gets straight to work. No setup, no clutter, no wasted time. We also added a wall hook for the spray gun to keep it secure and off the floor. And while we were at it, we tackled another small frustration. After cleaning, we would usually set up the air blower to dry everything out. But the cord always looked sloppy and got tangled, wasting more of our time. So we marked up the cord with yellow GPS tape at the correct intervals, and now it's always coiled neatly and consistently. The result is faster cleaning, a safer workspace, and a setup that's always in order and looks premium. That's the power of simple improvements. Thanks so much.